What's going on, guys? What's going on? It's your boy King Joffe Joe 413 back with another one.
I see you haters I'm getting away. I'm going away. I told you I'm walking away. There's so many things going on with this.
How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. All right, so I know I've been slacking on the videos, you know what I'm saying? My computer's been messed up a little bit, but I think I got it figured out, so I'm gonna step my game up on editing these videos. I got videos, I just didn't edit them because my computer was a little messed up, but I'm gonna try to get back up on this, guys. My bad. But let's get back to why we're here today. Today, we're here because my homie Ricky over there at RLS.com, you know what I'm saying? He done sent your boy another exhaust. Y'all may have seen the video when I did the windshield. I told y'all I got the twin Kaos. You know what I'm saying? We had the control Kaos on there right now. Switching over to the twin Kaos. You know what I'm saying? So right now, well, we gotta get yourself a twin Kaos over at RLS.com. You know what I'm saying? If it ain't RLS, what else would it be? You know what I'm saying? Clean. Look at this, clean. I got the black one. It comes in black and it comes in silver. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start her up. Right now we got the decibel meter set up 5 feet away from the bike. So controlled Kaos compared to the twin Kaos, and then we're gonna do the twin Kaos. Right now it has the baffle in there, but after we do that, we'll take the baffle out to show you the difference without the baffle. All right, so let's get started, right? So first we're gonna start off by starting up the controlled Kaos. Oh, let me get the key. I get the key. I need the key on here to start it up, right? All right, we're not gonna run it for too long because I don't want it to get hot because I gotta take it off. All right, right now we're running about 84 decibels. That's what it's saying, around 84. Let's see. That's what it sounds like from here. You know what I'm saying? I got the mic right here on my chest, so. That's a cold start, so it might quiet down once it warms up a little bit. But we don't want it to get too warm. You feel me? So boom, we got that. It was running about 84 decibels we got. So let's pull it off and get the new one installed. I'm gonna move y'all over here so y'all can get a little footage of me taking it off, because why not? The thing is, I'm not gonna really show you how to do it because take off one exhaust, it's like taking off all the exhausts, you know what I'm saying? 15 millimeter and the springs. All right, got that controlled Kaos off, and now we're gonna throw on the twin Kaos with the baffles. With the baffle. All right, wham bam. Thank you, ma'am. We got the twin Kaos installed, quick and smooth, you know what I'm saying? That's what she looked like. That's the black one installed right there. The black twin Kaos right there, you know what I'm saying? Looking clean. If y'all was wondering what the silver one looks like, that's what the silver one looks like. The silver one right there. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see the silver one right there. All right, so now let's get this start up, see the decibels. Let's check what this decibel reader is gonna read. Let's get this start up, put you over here. And all right, so there you go. You got the twin Kaos right there with the baffle in. You seen it reading the control Kaos reading about 84. With the baffle, this was reading about 94, 95. Now we're gonna remove the baffle and see what it reads without the baffle. All right, so how you remove the baffle is you take your 10mm and you wrench it. It's a little warm on this. This is a little warm right now because it was just in there, but. All right, boom. Baffle's out, and we'll reinstall her now. All right. All right, guys, so we got that installed without the baffle. And now let's start it up and see what the volume is. All right, without the baffle, it's still reading around the same. I don't know why, but it sounds louder. It sounds louder, but it's reading around the same. Now we're gonna put this decimal meter on max, right? We're gonna put it on max. And then when I give it a rev, we're gonna see what it maxes out at. All right, with the rev, we maxed out at 136, 132.6. That's what the decibel is when you're giving some gas. Pretty sure that the control chaos is lower than that. It's definitely not as loud as that. So I'm personally probably gonna put the baffle back in because I don't want it super loud. And I'm gonna have to wait till it cools down a little bit, you know what I'm saying? And we'll throw the other baffle back in and we'll do that same max test with the baffle in, see if it's past 132.6. All right, guys, so we got the baffle back in there, right? All right, we got the baffle back in there. And let's put this on max. So now we're gonna check what the max is when I rev it with the baffle in it. The other one was 132.6. And right there we got 132.1. 132.1. So, baffles, I don't know, what the fuck? Oh, that's because this right here. All right, so, baffles, I don't know if they really do anything, you feel me? I'm not saying my man Ricky said they do, but big exhaust made us all think that inputting one of those baffles in there is gonna make a difference. I actually got one inside the controlled chaos. I didn't even realize that. I actually got one inside the controlled chaos. So the controlled chaos probably go a little louder than what it is, but is that really true? You know what I'm saying? Because with it, the baffle in and out, running at idle, it was around the same exact numbers. Running with and without the baffle on a rev came about the same number. So I wouldn't count on the baffles really doing a big job unless you put multiple baffles. Maybe if you have multiple baffles, maybe to help. Because I think in this also, I probably could have put two baffles in there. I think another one might have fitted behind it because that the pipe is so, you know what I'm saying, straight. So maybe two baffles to help it a little bit more. Could try that. You know what? But right now I'm not going to because I don't feel like pulling it off for a fourth time to take the baffle out of that one and put it in there and try double. But yeah. Control chaos is definitely quieter than the twin chaos, that's for sure, by at least 10 decibels. So that's good to know, you know what I'm saying? If you're looking for something that's not too loud, control chaos. Not gonna lie, every exhaust that RLS exhaust is loud. Every exhaust, but not too loud. This one's not one of the loudest ones, you know what I'm saying? I think he has a couple other ones that might be a little quieter. I think the Echo series might be a little quiet too. But yeah, if you need yourself a controlled chaos, a twin chaos, any kind of chaos you need, you hit up rlsexhaust.com and get yourself exhaust, you know what I'm saying? Tell them King Jaffe Joe sent you feel me? And they got more than just exhaust, like I told you, the windshield and a couple other things, yo. So thanks for watching. Check you in the next one. Peace.